start all over? So, my name's Ariella, and I already started I put the glue in. It's color changing glue, and I put some activator in, and I might have had to stop it because I needed to get a spoon. So right now I'm gonna mix it. I add a little bit more glue. Yeah, that's all. I'm just feeling it right now. Smells pretty good. It's kind of still liquidy. Maybe I put a lot of activator. I don't want to have a lot of activator. Well, the last time I made slime, I accidentally did put too much activator, so yeah, and it turned out very gloopy, like slime. The first one I got, it was so cool of a light blue. It was so cool and cool. So cool. So, right now it's like holding it together. Okay, I think it's ready. Just in case. First time I made one, I had to use two. Save it for the time. I'm not going to put all this time. Okay. Here's four mixes. And that's how you make slime.